all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about fulfilling the special request and sales the guest room. Fulfilling special request and selling the guest room. What is the meant by special request? Front office needs to respond to all the requests made by the guest. Any request which goes beyond the following is considered as a special request. Can you recommend a nearby restaurant? Can you call a taxi for me? Where is the nearest drug store? All these are the special requests of the guest, and guest can also do the request of visiting your city, and the above requests are the most common requests faced by front office. Follow up special request. When a guest requests special equipment or supplies at registrations or during occupancy, they will almost always ask a front desk agent. The agent then relays the request to the appropriate service center or hotel department for processing. Equipment and supplies commonly requested by the guest include bedboard, adapter, WC, pillow fort, baby cot. Common special request: arranging gift, finding doctor, charging cell phone, find a minister, arranging the baby guard, charter a private jet, arrange a tour, selling the guest request, front office selling techniques, upselling, encourage a customer buying a higher priced product or service than originally anticipated by the using selling techniques. To guests who have made prior reservation, maintain a full knowledge of the room and better techniques. Thank you to all of you. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.